Hello again. This next poem I've entitled Lightning Strike. I see you and know you for the love I have not. There's a beast in my breast, I'm sweating and hot. To take you, possess you, and then our eyes meet. Refined behaviour struck dead at our feet. Hunger, appetite, boundless desire exploding between us as hot as a fire. I ache for you as you ache for me, primal and surging, our lust rages free. The time for thought gone and past, consumed with passion, hearts bumping fast. Coupling, merging, joining together, the draught of our bodies bonds us forever. Fruit of union to father and mother, best friend, companion, and intimate lover. Well, thank you for watching that. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be coming back again in a few days' time to bring you another poem. Till then, goodbye.